Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day one of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I'm here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditations, self-care techniques, and more. So today we are starting off, it is Monday, so we are starting off with Mindful Breathing Mondays. We're going to learn a new breathing technique each Monday in this challenge. So today we are going to learn about the Ujjayi breath, also known as the ocean breath. So what you may need for this practice is just a comfortable seat, and you can use whatever you need to enhance your comfortable seat, whether you use a pillow or a block, a blanket. Whatever you need, grab it and we will get started. Okay, so we are going to start seated, and you can use anything you would like to enhance your seat. If you want to sit on a pillow, a bolster, a blanket, or a block, you can do so. And once you find your comfortable seat, go ahead and sit tall. So let's talk about the Ujjayi breath for a moment. The Ujjayi breath is a breath that helps us to link our breath to our movements throughout our yoga journey. So I wanted to start with this breath so we can use it as we move through this 21-day journey. And the reason that the Ujjayi breath is called the ocean breath is because of the audible sound that we produce as we practice it. So let's get into our breathing practice, and we're going to learn the Ujjayi breath. So sitting tall, let's start with 3 regular breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And just return back to your normal breath here. And we just want to take a moment to notice our regular breath. So are you taking longer breaths? Are you taking shorter breaths? Do you notice that your inhale and exhale are equal in this moment? Do you notice that your inhale is longer than your exhale? Or do you notice that your exhale is longer than your inhale? Just acknowledge your breath in this moment. Now that we've taken a moment to acknowledge our breath, we're going to start with the Ujjayi breath. So it's kind of the same as the inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth, except for this time we're exhaling through the nose. So inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. So let's start with that, and then we'll add the other elements to this breath. So let's inhale, exhale through the nose. Inhale and exhale. So you already hear that audible sound we're making. Inhale and exhale. The other element of the Ujjayi breath is that the tip of your tongue is going to be resting at the top of your mouth. So think about resting the tip of your tongue right at the back of your front teeth. So right up there at where your teeth and your gum line meet. So just like this, you'll see my tongue behind my teeth. So as you inhale and exhale with that tongue resting there, it's actually going to produce a slightly different sound. So let's try that together. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the nose, and having the tongue resting at the top of the mouth, right behind your teeth. So let's try together. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. And that is your Ujjayi breath. And we're going to add just some simple movements to it. So we're just going to add our arm movements and practice that breath at the same time. So let's bring our arms out to the sides. So we're going to practice some side bends and some twists with our Ujjayi breath or our ocean breath. So sitting tall, rechecking your posture here. Let's inhale, reaching the arms out and up. And then exhale, bring your left hand over to the left side and reach your right arm over to the left. And keep the tip of your tongue resting at the top of your mouth and exhale through your nose. Good. And inhale, reaching the arms back up. Exhale. Over to the other side. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side bend to your left. And inhale up. And exhale, side bend to your right. Inhale, arms up. This time we're coming into a twist. So exhale, bring your right hand to left knee, left hand behind you. Still producing that audible ocean sound. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, left hand to right knee, right hand behind you. One more time on each side. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, arms up to center. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, arms up to center. Exhale, arms down. And then let's end here with 3 Ujjayi breaths. So not the inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, the Ujjayi ocean breath. So let's inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Just remember you can use this breath as we go through our movement practices, our yoga practices. And if resting the tip of the tongue at the top of the mouth seems a little hard to remember, just keep the inhale in the nose and the exhale out of the nose. It'll be the same sound. It's not going to produce as big of a sound as the ocean breath, but it will be similar. And that is it for day 1. And now I want to hear from you. How did you experience this breathing exercise or this breathing technique? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time for you to reflect on this breathing practice, whether you choose to just sit and think about it for a few minutes or whether you choose to write it down. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true. But most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 2 of our 21-day yoga journey.